guys?
Making slime! Making slime!
With what?
These balloons! We've seen people do it on YouTube.
Are you guys ready to make slime?
Yeah! Let's do this! But first I need a screw. Here you go, Mr. Ollie. And here you go, Mr. Mylo. You want me to help you, Ollie?
Yeah.
Ready.
Okay, now why don't you each pick a balloon?
Blue.
Blue and red? Let's see the faces on them. What's your face on yours, Ollie? Okay, this is Ollie's balloon face.
Can I see it? Oh no! Kids, be very careful with scissors.
Okay, now you're gonna have to cut it. Hold it over the bowl, baby. Ooh, what is that?
Glitter. My turn. Oh, you want me to hold it? Yeah.
Okay. Cut it open.
It looks like beads.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's just 4 years old. More glitter.
All right.
I'm gonna pick mine.
Nice.
It's a stain. Oh, mine's a mad face. Mine's a mad face.
Yours is a mad face? Oh, Ollie's is a sad face.
Let me see.
Woo! Look at the orange glitter. Look at the orange glitter. Pretty.
That balloon burst.
Ollie, sit down on your
Mine has a
bottom.
silly face.
Yours has a silly face? All right, just a little hole, Mylo.
I can't.
You cut this part right here. No, it's okay. It's not too hot. See?
You try. Oh.
Good job. Pour it in there, Ollie. Not on the table, silly. Look how pretty it looks right now.
You try.
Ooh, what color is that?
Hey.
Show us the face, Ollie. Oh, he's a cute balloon. There you go, perfect. What color is that? Ooh, pretty. What colors do you see?
I see yellow. I see yellow. I see pink. I see
Green, blue. We put some white in there. Can you hand one to your brother? All right, Ollie, there you go.
It's on the big bubble.
Okay, we gotta make it now. Pour it in. All right, and now do you know what we need? We need the activator. All right, let's start mixing it up.
Taste it, Ollie.
Okay.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, kids, we moved into the kitchen because the slime's just not working. And we tried to fix it. Sorry, kids, it was a fail. I know, Mylo. We need another fun kids. Call Ethan. Great idea, Ollie. Ethan, I need you now. It's a slime emergency. Okay, he's on his way. Yeah. Ethan, 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 Ethan. Ethan, Ethan, Ethan. Ethan? How did you get here? How did you do that? I don't know, but I got glue. So you have a slime emergency, huh? Yeah. But let's see if we can fix it.
Okay, let's pour half of this into here and we'll just try and save half of it. How does that sound?
Ew! That's disgusting. But where are you going to put that?
Well, we'll see if we can just save a little bit first.
Or put it in the toilet like you always do with our potions? Alright, let's pour in the glue. Whoa! Whoa. Ew! Mylo, I don't think there's any saving this slime. Thanks for trying, Ethan. You're welcome! What are fun kids for? Helping? Thanks for watching the slime fail video, kids. This was such a fail. We need to do it, like next week or something. Hey, we could just say this is a potion video. Check out our blue tack slime video. It was really good. And it actually worked. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to check out this guy and my brother at home.
What's your channel called?
I'm Nathan Fun Kids. Kids, if you need any help with something, call one of your friends and see if they can help. Even if it doesn't work out, you can still have fun together. Thanks for watching. Bye. Now let's go downstairs in the basement. You probably won't gonna put it on camera. What was that?
Hey, Mylo.
He said my butt is scratched. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay.